Ever struggled with unreliable cables that just don't deliver? Fuzzy video signals, weak power disconnections, or worse, random disconnects mid-shoot? Today we're diving into a game changer for filmmakers and content creators. Alvin's cables. High quality, custom made and built to last. Stick around as we break down the best cables for your setup, from HDMI to power solutions for the ZCam E2 and Portkeys BM5WR. Let's get started. If you've ever dealt with a cheap film's HDMI cable, you know the struggle. Loose disconnections, laggy signals, or worse, dropouts right when you're recording. Alvin's cables HDMI options are built like tanks. Solid connectors, fixed shielding, anti-secure fit. I've tested them with my external monitors and the signal is rock solid. No ghosting, no artifacts, just crisp, clean video. Plus they offer custom lengths, so no more coiling 5 meters of excess cable just to get a clean setup. I received two HDMI cables, one short and one longer version. Both are braided and coiled, which makes my camera rig look incredibly clean. The short one comes in black, blending seamlessly into the setup, while the long version stands out in red, great for quick identification and organization on set. These small details make a big difference when working in fast-paced shooting environments. I tested both HDMI cables on my Portkeys BM5WR and Fieldwall P6X. After comparing options, I decided on both cables with the right 90-degree angled connectors. This choice keeps my setup neat while reducing cable strain, making them perfect for my rig. Powering the ZCam E2 reliably is a must, and Alvin's cables delivers. This power cable features a 90-degree angled connector that's also 360-degree rotatable, giving you ultimate flexibility in tight rig setups. It's a 4-pin LEMO to D-tap cable, ensuring a stable power connection from your battery source. Just like their HDMI cables, this one is braided, adding durability and a premium feel. No more worrying about power dropouts or loose connections. This cable locks in securely, keeping your ZCam E2 running without a hitch. If you're rocking the Portkeys BM5WR like I am, you already know how crucial stable power is. Alvin's Cables offers a dedicated power cable that fits like a glove and ensures zero flickering or voltage drops. Unlike the braided HDMI and ZCam power cables, this one features a glossy, smooth plastic coating. It's also coiled for flexibility and better cable management. The connector is 90 degrees angled, keeping things steady and reducing strain on your ports. It's that extra level of reliability that makes a difference when you're out shooting, especially when you don't have the luxury of reshooting a scene. Audio enthusiasts, this one's for you. The XLR to 5-pin LEMO cable is a total game changer for professional sound setups. Whether you're working with a high-end recorder or an on-set boom mic, this cable guarantees pristine audio transmission with zero interference. Built with premium shielding, you won't have to worry about annoying buzz or unwanted noise creeping into your recordings. Quality like this doesn't come cheap, but here's the catch. Alvin's cables are surprisingly affordable for the value they offer. When you compare them to overpriced premium cables that barely last, these are an absolute steal. Plus, with custom lengths and connectors available, you're getting exactly what you need without compromise. The HDMI cables are priced at $22.99 each. The ZCam E2 power cable costs around $50. The Portkeys BM5WR power cable is $38.99, and the XLR to 5-pin LEMO cable is priced at around $60. In total, that's just around $195 for all of it. So are Alvin's cables worth it? Absolutely yes. They're reliable, well built, and they just work, something that can't be said for every cable out there. If you're tired of dealing with weak connections, failing power lines, or frustrating HDMI dropouts, do yourself a favor and upgrade. Your gear and your sanity will thank you. Want to check them out? I'll drop the links in the description. And don't forget, I've got a 15% discount code for you, which is also in the description. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which cable you'd upgrade first. Until next time, keep creating and stay connected.